Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix one moment the agent is currently loading in Antigravity. So here is a list of few fixes. So first what we can do is a hard refresh for the web page. Press on Ctrl, Shift and R. And then we can go for extensions, manage extensions, and then disable all your extensions. You can try to do this. This may solve the issue, and also can try clearing the cache. Go press on the three dots and then go to settings and then search for cache, and then you can press on delete browsing data, and then you can delete for last hour or last 24 hours. It's preferred to do the last 24 hours, and you can also try to launch it in incognito mode, or you can also try to launch it on other browsers such as Firefox or something like this, and that's it. I hope these fixes can help you fix your issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.